Another one of the Japanese toilet obsessions with Sharon. Anyway, here I'm Savara, and that's the ladies just over there. Clean, absolutely tidy. Look at this. And that's the disability toilet. And it's got absolutely everything. Wash basin, sink, heated toilet, toilet paper baby changing, toilet papers left fully automated, and can ask for more. Can you? No. No smoking, folk. Baby changing pad. And then to the gents. Look, beautiful. And automated lighting, of course. Clean, automatic seats, warm, toilet papers there, clean. Extra toilet papers over there. What can I ask for? Practically considerate are these Japanese people, right? Because as ladies' toilets would always have a long queue, they've got a little bench or a couple of benches here so that they could sit and wait for their turn. Amazing, right?